Welcome back. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently touching the shore while the morning sun slowly fills the sky with warm golden light. You step out of your motorhome with a cup of coffee in your hand, breathe in the fresh air, and look around at the beautiful view right outside your door. There are no hotel checkout times, no busy city noise, and no strict schedules to follow. Just the open road, endless destinations, and the freedom to travel wherever your heart wants to go. This is the lifestyle that motorhome lovers dream about. A life where adventure and comfort travel together. And today, we are exploring a motorhome that perfectly represents that dream. Today, we are taking a close look at the LMC T713 Passion, a motorhome that blends modern European design, practical features, and the comfort of a small luxury apartment on wheels. Built with the precision and quality that German engineering is famous for, the LMC T713 Passion is designed for travelers who want to explore the world without leaving comfort behind. The first thing you notice about the LMC T713 Passion is its modern and confident exterior design. From the front, the motorhome looks sleek, stylish, and strong. The aerodynamic body shape gives it a clean and elegant appearance, while also helping improve efficiency during long highway drives. The large headlights create a bold front profile and provide excellent visibility during night travel or bad weather conditions. The front grille and smooth body lines give the motorhome a premium feel that instantly makes it stand out on the road.
Whether you are planning weekend escapes, cross-country road trips, or even long adventures across Europe or beyond, this motorhome promises to make every mile enjoyable. So sit back, relax, and imagine yourself behind the wheel as we explore everything the LMC T713 Passion has to offer.
As you walk around the vehicle, you start to appreciate its size and thoughtful design. The LMC T713 Passion measures around 7 meters in length, which is a sweet spot for many motorhome travelers. It is large enough to offer a spacious interior, but still compact enough to remain comfortable to drive and park compared with larger RVs. The side panels feature wide windows that allow plenty of natural light to enter the living area. These windows also provide incredible views of the scenery outside, whether you are parked beside a lake, deep in the mountains, or along a beautiful coastal road. Another feature that travelers love is the large extendable awning on the side of the motorhome. With a simple setup, you can create a shaded outdoor living area where you can place a table and chairs. Imagine relaxing there during the evening while watching the sunset, sharing a meal with friends, or simply enjoying the peaceful environment of nature. Storage is also a major strength of the LMC T713 Passion. Along the sides of the motorhome, you will find several smartly designed storage compartments. These compartments are perfect for camping gear, outdoor furniture, travel bags, and other essential equipment. One of the most impressive storage areas is the spacious rear garage. This large storage space can easily hold bicycles, sports gear, or even a small scooter. For people who love outdoor activities like cycling or hiking, this feature adds a lot of practical value to the motorhome. But the real magic of the LMC T713 Passion begins the moment you step inside. As soon as you enter the motorhome, the interior immediately feels bright, open, and welcoming. LMC has designed the space carefully, so it feels more like a stylish apartment than a vehicle. Soft lighting, warm colors, and high-quality materials create an atmosphere that feels relaxing and comfortable from the very first moment. At the front of the motorhome is the main living area. The driver and passenger seats can rotate to face the interior, instantly becoming part of the lounge space. This clever design creates a comfortable social area where everyone can sit together and relax. In the center of the living area is a modern dining table surrounded by comfortable seats. This space becomes the heart of the motorhome. It is where you can enjoy meals, play games, plan your next travel destination, or simply sit and chat after a long day of exploring. The seating is wide and supportive, designed for long hours of comfort. Large panoramic windows surround the living area, allowing sunlight to fill the space during the day. When evening arrives, the soft ambient lighting transforms the interior into a cozy and peaceful environment, perfect for relaxing nights.
Moving slightly further into the motorhome, You reach the kitchen area, and this is where the LMC T713 Passion truly begins to feel like a real home. Even though the kitchen is compact, it is incredibly well designed. Every inch of space has been used efficiently to provide everything you need for cooking while traveling. The kitchen features a modern stove with multiple burners, allowing you to prepare proper meals on the road. Whether you want to cook a quick breakfast before starting the day or prepare a warm dinner after a long journey, the kitchen gives you the flexibility to do it easily. There is also a deep stainless steel sink for washing dishes and preparing food. The countertop offers enough space for food preparation, and the cabinets above and below provide plenty of storage for cooking utensils, plates, and groceries. Another important highlight is the large refrigerator, which allows you to store fresh food and drinks for several days. This is especially useful during long road trips when you may not always be close to supermarkets.
Next to the kitchen area is the bathroom, and LMC has designed this space in a very practical and comfortable way. Many smaller campers have cramped bathrooms, but the T713 Passion offers a surprisingly spacious washroom setup. You get a modern sink with a mirror, along with storage cabinets where you can keep toiletries and personal items neatly organized. The toilet is positioned conveniently, making it easy to use even in a compact environment. The shower area is separated, allowing you to enjoy a proper shower without soaking the rest of the bathroom. For travelers spending extended time on the road, having a well-designed bathroom like this makes a big difference in daily comfort. Now, let's talk about the driving experience and performance of the LMC T713 Passion. This motorhome is typically built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, which is widely used across the European motorhome industry. The reason is simple. It offers an excellent combination of power, stability, and driving comfort. The engine usually delivers between 140 and 180 horsepower, depending on the configuration you choose. This provides enough power for highway cruising, hill climbs, and long-distance journeys without feeling slow or heavy. Even though the motorhome is large, the driving experience feels surprisingly smooth and manageable. Fuel efficiency for a motorhome of this size is quite reasonable as well, usually averaging around 20 to 25 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions and load. The elevated driving position gives the driver a clear and commanding view of the road, which makes long journeys more comfortable and confident. Modern safety and driver assistance features also play an important role. Depending on the configuration, the LMC T713 Passion may include cruise control, lane assist systems, parking sensors, rear-view cameras, and advanced braking technology. These systems help make driving easier and safer, especially during long road trips or when navigating busy roads. Another important aspect of the LMC brand is build quality. German manufacturers are known for their attention to detail and durability, and the T713 Passion is built with materials designed to last for many years of travel. The insulation system is also excellent, helping maintain comfortable temperatures inside the motorhome whether you are traveling in colder climates or warm summer conditions. When it comes to price, the LMC T713 Passion sits comfortably within the mid to premium motorhome category. Depending on options, equipment packages, and regional markets, the price usually ranges between around $85,000 to $110,000 US. For a motorhome offering this level of comfort, practicality, and build quality, many travelers consider it a strong value investment for years of unforgettable adventures. Compared with many other motorhomes in the same category, the LMC T713 Passion stands out because it balances luxury with practicality. Some motorhomes focus heavily on style but sacrifice functionality, while others focus on utility but lack comfort. The T713 Passion manages to combine both. You get stylish interior design, smart storage solutions, comfortable living spaces, and reliable driving performance all in one package. Now, we would love to hear from you. If you had the chance to take the LMC T713 Passion on your dream road trip, where would you go first? Would you explore beautiful coastal highways, travel through peaceful countryside roads, or take a long adventure across different countries and cultures? Let us know your dream destination in the comments below, and also tell us what you think about this motorhome. Is the LMC T713 Passion the perfect travel companion for you, or would you choose a different RV for your adventures? The LMC T713 Passion shows how modern motorhomes are evolving into true mobile homes. They offer the freedom to travel while still enjoying the comfort of a well-designed living space. With its elegant design, smart layout, reliable performance, and welcoming interior, this motorhome transforms simple road trips into unforgettable adventures. Because in the end, motorhome travel is not just about transportation. It's about freedom, discovery, and waking up somewhere new whenever you choose. If you enjoyed this tour of the LMC T713 Passion, make sure to like this video, share it with friends who love travel and adventure, and subscribe for more exciting motorhome reviews and automotive content.